My mom is knocking. She's in the other room, and then she feel ache with her stomach. That's why I feel worried. Hi, Abudel from Indonesia. Hello. Hello, Indonesia. Claudio. Where's Claudio? No one wants to join Mariel. You don't join my membership. Jen, you're in Philippines now? Are you sure? Yes. Because you said last time you came in Philippines in July. Hello, Alvin. Ah, you're born in Philippines. Okay. But now you're in US. I'm working in 9 hours, 7 days. Hahaha. Chen comedian. Yes. Chen at USA. Shout out. Look at my eyes. Carol Rock is interesting dance. Interesting dance. I miss also my friend Joey who's in mm, number one. Yes. Yeah, I'm sleep, but I need to go live because you know, what about my earning in YouTube? So I need to work on it. Even though I'm tired, but I need to talk my viewers and to work in the YouTube to to support my family and my son because I have the stand. Why I need to stand in the corner. Get my please stand. Be a member of my channel. So I stand. Wait, I will look my mom at the other room. I'll be back. Because aching, looking gorgeous. Hello, Daniel. Long time no see. I'll be your member. Okay. Member of what? You work out. I stop because it's always raining here. I go Zumba dance. Zumba. You wrote it. Zumba. Like a hula hula hula. Belly. Just like I I thought you're getting hot. I thought you are getting hot. It's just like Naomi is a baby bump. Yeah, baby belly. Baby belly. Hi everyone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my